Here's the dolls.
Oh my gosh, I have to call my friend. I'm late. Hello? Oh, hey, what's up? Oh, you got the new shoes? Are you serious? Oh, are you there? Hello?
Those wicked dolls are going to get you.
Who is this?
Your worst nightmare. Mama. Oh, Mama. I'm going to get you. Mama.
Oh my god. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Oh, I'm running. I gotta get out of this house. I gotta hide. Run!
Going so fast, Mama. Going so fast.
Get out of my house now! Oh my gosh! What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Where do I go?
Hi, Mama. How you been, Mama?
Get away!
Don't you want to play with me?
No! What am I doing? What am I doing? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.